So now we have another option which is called filter. You have to simply click on the filter. You simply click on the filter. After clicking on the filter, you are going to see some filters. You can use any filter you want. For example, I'm going to use this one, any. It's up to you. You can use any filter. It's up to your choice. You can use this one. It's all about you. So after selecting this, you have to simply click on the right, and the next option we have adjust. After clicking on the adjust, you are going to see some basic settings, and I hope that almost all of the people are aware from these options, and these are the basic options. Like if you want to increase the brightness or decrease contrast, saturation, these are the basic options. These can be used by anyone. So after using this, you have to simply click on the right icon, and then it will affect on them. For example, let me use these options and show you that how they works. Click on the contrast and then increase the contrast value. As you can see the difference. Saturation, then we have saturation, and click on the saturation. You can increase the saturation, that will also impact. And then exposure, if you want to increase it, you can also do that. Now simply click on the right icon. You can see the difference. After that click on the video. After that we have some other options too: filter, adjust, retouch. If in the video you have a subject like a man, male, or anything, if you want to retouch them, you can also do that. We are going to discuss about these options in the next video series. After that we have replace. If you want to replace the clip, you can also do that. If you want to put a different clip instead of this, you can also do that. After that, extract audio. If your clip contain audio, you can also extract that audio will be automatically in a separate file, in a separate layer. After that, motion blur, stabilize, opacity, reverse, and these are reverse your video frames. Freeze will make it freeze, and we have another option like voice effects. If you want to put voice effects, you can also do that. If your video contains voiceover and you want to change the voiceover in like a high, deep, low, macaw, and funny, you can do that from here. Let's go to the back, and then reduce noise. If you are using a video which contains audio and audio has a lot of noise, then you can use this reduce noise options, and it will automatically reduce the noise of the audio you are using, audio you are working on. So these options can be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next video.